Since most of us already know that transferring money on the Ethereum mainnet is very costly, like you can even spend thousands of dollars paying just your transaction fees. So we do need a cheaper alternative. So this video is basically a guide for you to connect the Binance Smart Chain and the MetaMask wallet. Since the MetaMask wallet is one of the most secure non-custodial wallets available and Binance Smart Chain is cheaper, let's get on with connecting them. So the first thing you'd have to do is visit our blog.coincodecap.com, and in the search bar on the homepage, you'd have to search Binance Smart Chain. Now once you do, just hit enter and you'll be redirected to the search queries. Now click on the very first option, that is set up MetaMask for Binance Smart Chain. Now you can either read that article or continue watching this video, or you can do both side by side and set up your MetaMask wallet for the Binance Smart Chain. Now the very first step would be to install the MetaMask Chrome extension. For that, open a new tab and type MetaMask. Once you do, click on the very first link that shows up on Google and move ahead to install its web extension. You'd be redirected to Chrome Web Store and you can click on the Add to Chrome or Add to Brave button. Since I use the Brave browser, I'd have that Add to Brave. And now since I've already installed it, I just click on MetaMask and click on the Get Started button. Now you can either import your existing wallet using the seed phrase and the password, or you can set up a new MetaMask wallet. For that, click on the Create Wallet button, agree to all of the terms and conditions, set up a password, and click on the Create button. Once you do, you'd be redirected to a page where you can watch the video and learn more about MetaMask. Now after you watch the video, click on the next button, and then here you'd be provided with your secret seed phrase. Note it down, click on the show button and note it down somewhere for its security. Never store it online, guys. Note your seed phrase down Never store your seed phrase online, guys. Note it down on a pen and paper. Go offline. Okay, once you do, you can close all the tabs. And now, the second part of the video, let's move ahead to installing Binance Smart Chain. Now just Google Binance Smart Chain wallet and scroll down and click on Binance Wallet. It will redirect you to Chrome Web Store. Now click on Add to your browser. It will ask the permission and start downloading the extension. Now if you don't already have a setup of the Binance Smart Chain wallet, you can set it up. For that, just click on the Binance Smart Chain wallet, click on Create a new account and choose a password. Enter the password, confirm it, and your wallet is created. Just note down your seed phrase now, confirm it, and your wallet would be created. Now this is how you add MetaMask and Binance Smart Chain wallet as a browser extension. Now moving on to our next step, that is connecting BSC mainnet with MetaMask. Now since I already have the Binance Smart Chain wallet and MetaMask set up, I'd use that instead. So let's log into our MetaMask extension, entering the password and clicking on the unlock button. Once logged in, you can see the Ethereum mainnet on your screen. And now click on the account button, click on settings and scroll down to networks. Click on network and click on add network. Once you do, head back to our blog, scroll down and copy the network name. Paste it here. Copy the new RPC URL. Paste it here. Now you'll see an error after pasting the RPC URL. We'll deal with it later. Now copy the chain ID and paste it here. Copy the currency symbol, that is BNB, or you can type it out, just paste it there. And finally the block explorer URL, paste it there. Now you can see we are getting an error. Let's deal with it. Just scroll a bit down in the block further and copy any of these links. Now replace that new RPC URL with the new one and you can see we are done. Now once you click on the save button, our Binance Smart Chain network would be active. Now since I already have set it up, I won't actually click on the save button, but yeah, once you do, it will be active. Now you can switch to the Binance Smart Chain network from here and click on Binance Smart Chain. All your balances would be shown in BNB in the Binance Smart Chain network. And in Ethereum, it will be shown in ETH. Now instead of transferring some actual funds, let's try it out. Let's try it out using some testnet. Okay. Now we'll create a Binance Smart Chain testnet on MetaMask. Now the same procedure goes with it, guys. Just click on the account button, click on settings, scroll down to networks, click on it, click on add network, and head over to the blog. Start copying things, copying the Binance Smart Chain text, paste it here, copy the RPC URL, paste it here, the chain ID, currency symbol, that is BNB. You can either copy it. Let's copy the link instead. So we'd type the BNB and paste the link. As you can see, we are getting an error in the RPC URL here as well. So we change it, scroll down and copy any of these links. I'll copy the first one and paste it here. Now it's done. Just click on the save button and your Binance Smart Chain test network would be created. Now we usually don't have the trial balance. I installed it earlier, so I do have it. Now to avail this testnet 1 BNB, we'd use the Binance Smart Chain wallet. Now since we have already set up our Binance Smart Chain wallet, we'll just open it and log into our account. Enter the password and click on the unlock button. Once done, click on the Binance Chain network or the Binance Smart Chain network on the top and select the Binance Smart Chain test network. Now you can also go through the steps of setting up the Binance Smart Chain wallet as shown on your screen here in our blog. Now once you have gone through it and once you have set it up, just copy the wallet address of the Binance Smart Chain test network and head back to the blog. Now click on the Binance Smart Chain faucet and paste your wallet address. Once you do, then click on the Give Me BNB and click on 1 BNB. Your funding request was accepted and the faucet has already provided you 1 BNB. Now moving back to our wallet, as you can see, we have 1 BNB here. Now we'd send this 1 BNB into our MetaMask Binance Smart Chain test network. We copy the address from here and paste it in the Binance Smart Chain wallet. We click the send button, we paste the address, we select the amount we wish to withdraw. Let's withdraw the entire thing, 1 BNB. We click on the send button, we confirm the transaction, and just in a matter of seconds, our funds would be deducted from Binance Smart Chain test network in the Binance Smart Chain wallet and would be transferred to a MetaMask wallet. As you can see on the screen, our balance is now 1.998 BNB. 0.0002 BNB was our transaction fees. It's that low, guys. That is the only reason we are shifting to Binance Smart Chain wallet instead of using the Ethereum network. So that's all for this video, guys. Subscribe to the channel for daily updated crypto news, similar guides, tutorials and reviews. Join our Telegram channel in the description for free crypto trading signals and visit our blog for more such articles.